Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This video will show you exactly how you can download Hamster Kombat in iOS or on Android phone. So the first step you have to do is you go to the App Store and you make sure that your Telegram Messenger is installed properly. So when you have finished this step, you see that I have already added the Hamster Kombat chat. However, if this is not the case for you, you can go to search and within the chat section, you can type in Hamster Kombat. And you can see the chat over here. So when you click on this chat, you can see this message over here. And if you want to start playing, the only thing you have to do is click on the play in one click button. So this will load the following screen, after which your game will be started. So now you will be able to click on the hamster and your coins will appear. So if you think this tutorial was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you